Hello, welcome to another video. Okay, I'm making this video quite after some time. Okay, today's topic, I'm going to teach you how to treat yourself if you are going for camping or you're going for a hike. Now, if you go through a thick jungle, there's a possibility of you being cut, okay, by thorns. There are thorns in the jungle. For example, bamboo. Okay, bamboo has thorns. That's one example, and there may be also other plants or trees where you may brush across them. Okay, your body will slide across them, you may hit them. Your legs, if you're wearing shorts like this, if you're wearing shorts, mm, there's a chance to get a cut by a thorn in your legs. Or if you bang against any tree or some bamboo that has sharp thorns, you may get cut in your hand. All right, now I'm sure when you go for camping, when you go for hiking or trekking, you're going to bring your first aid kit. Okay, now I'm going to show you just how to treat these cuts. Okay, just with these three simple items inside your first aid kit. Make sure you bring your first aid kit and you have these three items inside. First of all, it's going to be an alcohol swab. This alcohol swab, you're going to rub it against your wound where you get your cut. It is to clean your wound. Okay, it's something like a antiseptic. It is like same as your hand sanitizer. If you have a hand sanitizer also, you can rub it on your cut. Before you apply your gauze, finally you need to secure them with a tape. All right, now I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, let me show you first. Okay, now for example, this is where I got my cut. I hit against a bamboo, I hit against something sharp, I got a cut here now. So first I take out my alcohol swab. All right, first let me take out my alcohol swab. Now this, it looks something like a tissue paper. It has alcohol inside. Okay, so I rub it against my cut. Okay, this is where my cut is. I rub it against my cut. Okay, you'll have this burning sensation if there's a cut there. It's good. Okay, just bite your teeth, you have this burning sensation. It's actually cleaning your wound. Okay, cleaning all the bacteria and to sanitizing your wound. All right, now after you clean it nicely, what you need to do, the next thing, you need to take out your gauze. All right, your gauze. Okay, now this is your gauze. All right, you see how much you want. Okay, if you want a thick piece, first you press it on your cut. Press it on your cut. This is where the cut is. Press it hard. Stop the bleeding first. Stop the bleeding first. Okay, even if you are bitten by a snake, if you are bitten by a snake also, if you are bleeding, press it against the wound. Press it against the cut. Okay, a cut from a thorn or even a snake bite. Press it first for a while. Wait for a while to stop the bleeding. Okay, now you are doing this by yourself. If you have a partner, ask the partner to do it for you. Okay, so now what do I do? I rest my arm on my knee. Okay, I take the tape. You take out, okay, a little bit first. Okay, let's say like this. I take out a little bit. All right, then what do I need to do is, okay, I need to wrap it around. Okay, wrap it around. Use your leg for support. Wrap it around like this. Wrap it around. Okay. All right. After you wrap it around your tape, you can tear it away. Now one hand is injured. The other hand, I can't do it with one hand. So what I do, I use my knee for support. I use my knee for support. I fold it like this and I tear the tape. I tear the tape out. So now I have given first aid, but this is only temporary. All right. Okay, I repeat one more time. If you are bitten by a snake or you hit against something sharp in the jungle, when you go for hiking or trekking, when you're cut, Okay, it tears your skin. No matter how deep the wound is, first you use an alcohol swab first. If you don't have it, it's okay. You can even use hot water. Hot water if you have it. Alright, use alcohol swab. I wipe on my wound first. I clean my wound first. Okay, number one. Number two, I use a gauze. I press it hard against the wound, against the cut, so that to stop the bleeding for a while. Hold it there for a while, maybe for a few minutes. Okay, hold it there, relax. Okay, then if you are doing it alone, you don't have a partner to help you. Never mind. Use your knee. Use your knee for support. Put it there and wind it with the tape to secure, to be safe. Go 2 rounds, and you got it. This is only temporary. Of course, you can't do it as professional as they do in the hospital, accident and emergency, because inside the jungle, inside a thick forest, I don't think there's a hospital there. I don't think there's a accident and emergency there. So it's a bit untidy, but the main aim, the objective, what is the objective? The objective is to stop the wound, okay, to treat your wound. A basic first aid you should know when you go hiking in thick bushes where there are thorns. If you are cut, bitten by a snake on your arms or on your leg, use this. Even on your neck or what, the same method, a very fast, effective, to hold it, to hold the fort for some time. All right, then later if you happen to go to a clinic, you tell them what happened, tell the nurse what happened, tell the doctor what happened, and they will be able to help you better. They will take it out and they will do something, to they'll give you a better treatment. Okay, this is only temporary. Remember to bring your first aid kit when you go for hiking and trekking. It's very important. Okay, even when you go camping also, it's very important. Make it a part of your survival list. All right, thank you very much for joining me. If you like my channel, please subscribe. You got any questions, please email me. Thank you. See you again. Till then, bye bye.